yesterday I received a small box, but I don't know this is from. Okay, so let's see. So here, so they sent me two things right off the bat. So okay, the first thing is this. Okay, what is this? Rosely Blossom Twin eyeshadow palette. Okay, so somebody sent me an eyeshadow palette. I don't know whose this is from, but it looks like a Korean brand because it says made in Korea and it's not in English in the back. What the heck? I don't know. Hamish sent me, Nordhype sent me already, so I don't know what platform sent me this. I don't remember filling out anything or receiving an email, or my voice goes away when I talk sometimes. What the heck? Anyways, so ooh, it's so cute. It's round. I never seen a palette that looks round like this. So cute. So I'm gonna try and hurry up and do this unboxing really quick. So ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, it says the names of each shadow, like the shade name. Ooh, alright, so let me remove it. Okay, so the shadows are super pretty. They're neutral, they're shimmery, matte. It looks so cute, right? But thank you, whoever sent me this. They probably don't watch my YouTube. Maybe it's from Instagram. They saw me there. They're like, let me send her something. I don't know. It's so weird, but okay. The next thing is this is Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. So this is from Fresh. I haven't tried this skincare brand yet, but wow, it has like a lot of ingredients. So okay, so it's a face cream. Let's see. Alright. Ooh, ow, I pulled my hair. Is this? It's a big jar. Like, it has like a lot of products. So let me remove this sticky. Okay, it smells good and I still haven't opened it yet. Like, wow. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, like rose, literally like rose. So it's a white clear cream. Let me swatch a little. It's, hope I don't get an allergic reaction. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it here a little bit. Ooh, it feels super moisturizing on my skin, very velvety, not super thick. So you see, it's moisturizing and it absorbed in my skin fast. I haven't moisturized my face. It's summer, it's too hot. Like, I don't want to put anything, like it's gross and sweaty, like, which is bad. You're supposed to put face cream all year round, I know, but I just don't do it. So, but it feels very nice, super nice. And that's basically it. I don't know who this sent me. Like, it just says my address on this paper, but nobody, like, no brand. Like, what? Okay, that's, like, I don't know what else to say because I don't know who sent me this. Like, what? But I guess I'll still upload it. Like, I'll still upload it on Instagram. But thank you either way. This is gifted pretty much, like, I guess. So that's the end of the unboxing. Like, it's just a mini unboxing, like a random mystery unboxing. Cause if somebody has received this, please let me know. To my content creator girlies, if y'all watch me, I don't know who watches me still. Because what the heck, I'm so like confused. Like, I don't know. But yeah, bye. Thank you so much again.